Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Cloud Run Local Emulator, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Google Cloud Run Local Emulator, first, ensure you have access to the terminal or command prompt. Begin by stopping any running instances of the local emulator. To do this, navigate to the terminal where the emulator is running. Press Ctrl+C to stop the process. Next, identify the package manager you used to install the emulator. If you installed it using Homebrew, type the command brew uninstall Google Cloud SDK. Press Enter to execute this command. For installations via snap, use the command sudo snap remove Google Cloud Run Emulator. Hit Enter after typing this command. If you installed the emulator using Docker, you may need to remove the Docker container. First, list all running containers with the command docker psa. Find the container associated with the Google Cloud Run Emulator. Next, remove the container by typing docker rm container_id. Be sure to replace container_id with the actual ID of the container. If there are multiple associated images, consider removing them as well. List all Docker images by typing docker images. Identify the Google Cloud Run Emulator image. Then, use the command docker rmi image_id to remove it. Replace image_id with the ID of the image you wish to remove. Once you've completed these steps, check your system to ensure all components are uninstalled. It's a good practice to verify by running the commands again to see if anything is left. Finally, clean up any lingering configuration files from your system if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.